Okay, it's 9:08 on October the 25th. We came in this morning. Actually, we were woken because the cabinet that holds the microwave is now on the floor. Shards everywhere. Microwave and then pieces of glass. The microwave busted up pretty good. And the way this is constructed, there's little staples and then glue, and that just ripped right out of particle board backing instead of a wood backing. Thankfully, no one was in here at the time. Otherwise, this would have killed someone. So you have the particle board screwed into the wall. And then that was stapled here.